The topic for today is volume and surface area of a prism. We usually have base area into height. This height is the height of prism. The base area of the prism may be a regular shape like rectangle or square or triangle, but it may also be a pentagon, a hexagon, or maybe a compound figure, that is the two figures may be together to make the base of the prism. So whenever we have to find the volume of prism, we shall first find its base area and then we shall multiply it with the height of the prism. Okay, when we shall find the surface area of the prism, we shall take twice base area and we shall add the perimeter of the base along with the product of height of prism. So whenever we have to find the volume of prism or the surface area of the prism, the most important thing is that you have to find which is the base where the object is lying, is your base, and you have to find where is the height of the prism. Here I have a question in which I have to calculate the volume and total surface area of the prism. I won't be able to draw the whole prism, so I shall try my best to show you prism somehow. This is 9 centimeter, the height of the prism shown. This is 12 centimeter. This side is 20 centimeter, and this side here, this is 16 centimeter. It is a triangular prism and our base is a triangle. The area of the triangle is half base into height. So this is the base of the triangle, and here this is the height of the triangle, 16 centimeter. And here we have the third side of the triangle, that is 20 centimeter. So when we have to find the volume, we need base area, which is the area of a triangle, along with the height of the prism, that is 9 centimeter. I put the values, half, 12 is the base of the triangle and 16 is the height of the triangle, along with the height of the prism is 9 centimeter. I cancel this 12 with 6. I multiply this 16 with 6 and then its answer with 9. 96 with 9. 864 centimeter cube is the volume of this prism. Okay, now I have to find the total surface area of the prism. So twice base area is, we have just found the base area, I guess 96. Twice into 96 plus perimeter of the base. Okay, perimeter you must know, perimeter is the length of all sides. So it has three sides, 12, 16 and 20. We shall add these three, 12, 16 and 20, and we shall multiply its answer with this 9. This is 192 and the sum of these three is 9. 192 plus, when we shall add these two, we have 624 centimeter square. The next question, we have to find the volume and surface area of this prism. I have only drawn the base of the prism. It's a rectangle, you can see. And the dimensions of the triangle are 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. The height of the prism, here it is 4.5 centimeter, the height of the prism. So first I shall find the area of rectangle, that is 6 into 5, you know, base into height is the area of the rectangle. Then I shall find area of triangle here. I shall add these two to find the area of the base area, and then we shall multiply it with 4.5. So when we have to find the volume of prism, this is base area into height. So when we have to find base area, we shall find the area of the rectangle, that is 6 cross 5 base into height, or L cross B, along with the area of the triangle, half into 4 into 3. This is the base and height of the triangle. we have 90 angle here of the triangle, and here we also have the 90 angle, which is showing us that this side is perpendicular to this side. So this is the area of the triangle along with the height of the prism, that is 4.5. I can cancel this 2 with 2. This is 6 5 times 30 along with 6. This is 6, 2 3 times 6 multiplied by 4.5, and when I shall multiply this 36 with 4.5, volume equals to 162 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the surface area. So we have to take the area of the base twice, means 36 twice along with the perimeter. Perimeter will have this side along with this side. This is also 6. If this is 6, this is 6 along with this 5. Base area, we just found the base area. 6 5 is 30 plus 6 36, twice into 36 plus perimeter of the base. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus this 6 and this 6, 13 and 6 19 and 5 24 multiplied by 4.5. So 72 plus 108 will give us 180 centimeter square, which is the surface area of this prism. This is a rhombus with sides, all sides equals to 4 centimeter. They have given us this side 5 centimeter and the height of this prism 10 centimeter, and they are asking for the volume. Here they have shown the height of the prism. Volume is base area into height. So the base is basically a rhombus, or you can take it as a square. You can multiply this 4 with 4, and height of the prism is here given 10 centimeter, and its volume will be 160 centimeter cube. Okay, the last question for today. Volume of prism is base area into height. You are given with the volume and you are given with the height of the base, that is the triangular base prism. Height is given 5.6, base is given x, and the height of the prism is given 12 centimeter. So we have to find x. We shall put the formula along with the value of volume like this. 151.2 is the value of the volume. Along with the base area is a triangle, half 5.6 into x along with this 12. So we have to use base area into height equals to volume. This volume will help us to find this x. I can cancel this 2 with 12 as it is all in multiplication form. I shall multiply 5.6 with x, with 6. 5.6 multiplied by 6x, and we shall divide this product with 151.2. And when we shall take this 33.6 to the other side, you can see we have 151.2 over 33.6. So our x, which is unknown, is basically 4.5 centimeters.